Hey, hi everyone. Welcome to Skill Connect Facebook Live with me, Nasreen Ijner. Send me a hi if you are coming in. So hi everyone, welcome to Skill Connect with me, Nasreen Ijner. I'm going to speak about 5 short ways to training to failure in just a few moments. So, if we have never met, then I will tell you something about me. You already know, my name is Nasreen Ijner. I'm a chemical engineer, having worked on field for 18 years. However, I am a chemical engineer always in my kitchen. So, once I had children, I became a full-time coach, mentor, trainer. And I took this to a level up so that I can be with you. So I'm a life coach for corporates, for students, and for colleges. I believe in a hashtag, करके देखो. In life, if you are only and only listening but not doing, then you are training yourself to be a failure. The first principle we will start is number 1. So, have you brought your pen, paper, and writing pad? So the first part is, if you are doing this and you have your writing pad ready, I want you to take a pen, okay, and a paper, and do what I am telling you to do, okay? I want you to draw a circle. Okay, I want you to draw a circle. On the circle, I want you to draw a triangle. I want you to draw a triangle. Right. So we have a circle and we have a triangle. Correct? Now, on your right, I want you to draw a square. On your right, I want you to draw a square. On your left, I want you to draw a cylinder. I want you to draw a cylinder. At the bottom of the circle, I want you to draw a line. Done? So we have how many items? 5. A circle. Come on, write with me. Circle. Write it in the comments. Circle. So we have 5 items. We have a circle. Guys, use your comment box. I need to see you with me through your writing. I want to see you with me through your writing. I cannot see you on your screen. I cannot see you on my screen. So the only way for me to know that you are there is you have to write to me. The circle, the triangle, the square, the cylinder, and a line. Yes? Okay. So what does it look like? This? Yes, circle. Yes, Sonali. Very good. Shikha, cylinder, perfect, very nice, very, very nice. Yes, guys, does it look like this? Does it look like this? So circle, triangle, cylinder, square and a line. Yes. So does it look anything like this? Okay, so once this broadcast is uploaded, I want you to take a picture of this and put it in your comment box. Okay, I want to put this in the comment box. I want to see how different people have got this. Have you got it just like this? Have you got it just like this? Or you have got a triangle of a different size, a circle of a different size? Is it different or is it same? Hi Priyanka, thank you for joining. Sonali ji. So mine is a vertical line and hers is a horizontal line. Perfect. So as you can see that the size of the circle is different. The size of the line and the position of the line is different, right? मेरा सिलेंडर आपके सिलेंडर जैसा नहीं होगा. I can definitely tell you that. I have done over 1000 programs and I know that very well in personal post COVID. Great. So it is different, which means that our first failure in life is because of improper communication. We do not communicate properly. अगर यही बात मैंने आपको बहुत clearly बोली होती that I want a horizontal line of 5 centimeters. I want a circle in the middle of the page and I want the page to be A4 size, plain white. And I want the diameter of the circle to be 6 centimeters. Or I want the radius to be 3 centimeters. है ना? We all could have something similar, right? Also the line, I would have said I want a horizontal line or a vertical line. So our first failure by design is our way we communicate. ठीक है? So C for communication. Right? Great. So out of our 5 ways to failure, first one is communication. This is our biggest one. So I'm going to give it this finger, big finger, pointing finger, biggest to the communication. Next, what do we do? Tell me. What do you think is another way we fail ourselves? Next is, I want you to write me in the box below कि आप घर पे है या ऑफिस में है. Are you in your home or are you in your office? If you are in your home, I want you to think of one object in your home that in your kitchen, one object in your home, in your kitchen, that represents you. What would it be? For me, it is my coffee mug. It's my coffee mug. This is me. Right? What is your... Yes. So in your kitchen, which is one item that you can think is yours? What can you think of one item? Hi Rucha, how are you? Good to see you here. So we'll continue. What, सोनाली, आप क्या रिप्रेजेंट कर रहे हो मेरे से? What are you thinking about one item from your kitchen? रुता जी, आप क्या कर रहे हो? What do you think is the one item in your kitchen that you can think of now? Shikha, Priyanka. So guys, this, if it is not interactive, it's not going to be fun. So we have pepper crusher, we have water, we have a coffee mug. Priyanka, Shikha. So we have new people joining in. Brilliant. So great. We have water. Sonali, yes, I see that water. Very good. I see that, yes, Ruta, pepper crusher, brilliant. Sugar, yes. So here, so second point is, just like these things that you have picked up in your life, okay, we also in life have our own superpower, right? We have our own superpower that is called our USP, unique selling point. So instead of thinking about the fancy items, you know, nobody thought of my crystal ware, you know, which you must have got it from when you traveled abroad, or you remove it only when your guests are coming, right? Yes, you only remove your crystal ware, your expensive crockeries, your expensive dishes and amazing glasses only when you have guests, and rest of the time वही पुराने बर्तन में खा लिया, पुराना हो गया, चलो no problem. So most of the time, similarly, we hide our superpowers in our day-to-day mundane. This is a failure. We only, आजकल लॉकडाउन में है, लोग नहाने तब जाएंगे जब उनको लगेगा ओह माय गॉड अब बर्दाश्त नहीं होता है तो नहाने जाते हैं. नो, गेट अप, गेट ड्रेस्ड, do makeup, stop being in your pajamas and walk out. This is your unique selling, your superpower. You have to maintain yourself. You have to think about कि मेरा superpower क्या है.